vloggy. It's Monday afternoon. I got home from placement today, which I'm normally not in placement on Mondays, but I'm going to Sydney this week on Thursday for Lily's birthday. So I'm doing my placement days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday instead of having Monday off. So that's why I was on placement. I'm doing 7 to 3s in emergency for the next 3 days. Today was great and I'm home now, and I think I'm going to do some editing for last week's vlog and then walk on the treadmill once Mum's finished with the meeting. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. I'm off to Jackson's. We're having a family dinner to celebrate Lily's birthday tomorrow. This is the fit, nothing groundbreaking. It's just the sweat set. What can I say? Comfort is everything. And what shoes do you think I'm wearing? Take a guess. If you said clogs, correct.
You were the first week in your class at the high. We didn't have a teacher, so I was headed to my house. Then I shared it.
Happy birthday to you. Hip hooray! Well, this part's really fun.
I've never seen it!
Don't know if you're teasing me or just being nice, but every time I see you, I keep falling.
Should we go? I want to see yours in this bag. Oh, so sparkly. Yes.
Every time I see
Got
you.
home from getting my nails done, and I also went to Westfield to pick up HDMI cable that connects to both mine and Jackson's iPad, so if his runs out of battery we can still use the projector. My nails are so cute. You can't really see them in the sun, but I'll show you a better view. But I have life group tonight, and I think I'm gonna walk on the treadmill, watch YouTube, and upload last week's vlog because I haven't done that yet. But yes.
I can't help the feeling I keep falling every time. It could be so easy if you were leaving me.
I'm heading to life group, dessert in hand. This is the fit. Cute.
Ain't so hard to find. So if you wanna be with me, let you know that I don't mind. Every time I see you, and you grip me.
Good afternoon. It is Wednesday. I got home from placement at 3:30 and I'm currently packing for Sydney. I just walked on the treadie. I've got a load of laundry in the wash and I'm currently packing. I think this is going to be one of my fits. These are the 2 shoes that I'm packing. Aloha's, New Balances. But yes, I'm just putting outfits together, making sure that things match, and then I can just pack exactly what I need rather than packing like my whole wardrobe and then being like, what do I wear? So that's how I like to pack. Get my outfits sorted, pack them, and then I know what I'm wearing. This is what I'm bringing. It looks like a lot, but I think I will use it all.
I can't help the feeling I keep falling every time.
Finished packing and I've showered, washed my hair. I'm gonna curl it later tonight, but I'm just sitting here and I set up my projector and I'm watching YouTube and it's so nice.
If you're teasing me or just being nice, but every time I see you, I keep falling every time. Left me wondering what to do. My head's a mess, just like my bed. Sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm sad, but always scared. It's not my bed, yeah.
still lie inside your mind, my dear. And do you find it terrifying then? You always let me know. You always let me go my way.
Sydney, day 2. We're heading to Bondi today. What else are we doing today?
Oh, we're going to Bondi.
I don't know. I think so.
We're doing Surrey
Yeah.
Hills.
Mhm.
And then maybe Bondi in the afternoon. I think. And probably shopping. And food. And drinks.
Oh.
And AFL. The footy's on tonight. Lions are going to win.
That's the plan.
You always let me know. You never let it show my dear.
Big shifts. Everyone's taking turns piggybacking and giving me hugs. We're back at the hotel. There was an outfit change because it was too hot. In a dress now.
You always let me know. You always let me go my way. You always let me know.
We're on our way to Paramount to try the bakery. Are you cringing at me?
No.
Want to fly? We're on our way to Bondi for more shopping.
It's the way you call my name. It's the way you say.
A successful day of shopping. Lily and I got the same exact skirt. We're off to dinner. Where are we going?
Nanya.
Nanya! I like that place.
Window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel it now.
We're on our way home, waiting for our Uber. I changed into shorts because my jeans were uncomfortable. What's going on?
Like an infected thing on my finger.
Well, why are you picking?
Well, I don't know, I think you got it out now.
Oh, everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal.
Morning. We made it home, and boy, am I glad to be home. I unpacked last night, and I woke up this morning and gave Marco a little haircut. He looks a bit rough, but
his haircut. I thought I'd show the things that I got in Sydney. I only got 2 things, but they're pretty cute. I tried on like a black like mini skirt, wraparound skirt from Venroy and got that. But I tried on a size small and the lady at Venroy was like, oh, I'll get you a new one. But when she got me a new one, she got me an extra small instead of small. And it still fits, but it just doesn't fit Chef's Kiss. So we're going back to Venroy today to return it. And then we're thinking of going to the beach. And then the other thing I got was a little bit spenny. But I love it and it's so cute. So let me show you. Here she is. Now, you might remember me trying this on last vlog or the vlog before. I bit the bullet and I got it. And I freaking love it. Anyway, I should get ready for the day. Last thing before I go. My skin in Sydney. Sydney destroyed me. My eczema is like back in full freaking swing. But I think it's also because of the aircon and the colder weather, and it was very windy. So I think it's like a combo of windburn and eczema. So good, love that for me. This is what I'm wearing, linen set, sandals, grey tank, cute baggy, and I'm wearing my togs underneath everything. Ready for a fun day.
'Cause if there is no sequel, I'd rather live in peaceful understanding that we believed our every single word. Turn the clocks back, couple dials. We should throw them out because time ain't ours.
We just finished a swim and I wanted to walk back to have a shower. And I cut my foot on a rock, so I'm gonna die. Say goodbyes.
Still the spot.
It's covered in spooters. Goodbye.
Anyone the right to